everyone, this video will still learn how to install the machine. First, we should level the machine, and here we can see a level ruler. We should put the level ruler on the right place and test whether the machine is level. First this place, and then here, okay, and here to test whether the machine is in one level. If some place is higher or lower, so we should put something under the machine to make it in one level, like this. Then we need to connect this one, the operating floor, and here, yeah, we should connect the wires to the right position. First, we should look that all of the lines through this hole, right, this small hole. Okay, and then use this one to fix all of the wires, and then connect them correctly here, just like this. Okay, like this. Next, we should connect the electric supply. Okay, next we should connect the power supply and the source supply. And here we can see, here we equipped with wires and with three phases and 5 wires. And the power supply must through the voltage stabilizer to connect the machine. And the air source pressure should be between 0.5 to 0.8 MPa. And then we should connect this thermostat. First, we should pull all of the wires out and then connect them. First, we should put connect here. And then we should fix the filter here and then connect the wires here and here. Okay, that's all.